crypto is getting destroyed and the market is going down so much. All altcoins are going down, even AI altcoins, meme coins, privacy coins, every single category or narrative is getting hit badly, guys. However, the strongest one at the moment appears to be privacy coins because they are going down the least. In fact, some of them are even going up. We did cover Canton and Decred in the previous videos, showing you how they were pumping when the market was going down. Very similar to what Monero and Zcash did recently, right? I am your host, Jordan. Nothing on this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. So always do your own research. So in this video here, we're going to compare some of these privacy coins and see, okay, which ones, you could keep your eye on in a comparison to the top privacy coins here. There's a group of quite good looking ones. We have Monero, we have Chainlink, we have Canton, Zcash, Litecoin, Midnight, Dash, Tezos, Humanity Protocol, and Decred, right? These are the top 1, 2, 3. So these are the top 10 privacy coins right here. So let's check them out on this video and dive deep. Now, if we check the market, we can see Bitcoin at the time of recording this dropped under 78k. In fact, look at this, guys. We went all the way to actually $76,000 here, and we bounced off of $76,000 today. So obviously the market is weak. All the coins are suffering, but we just held above here at the time of recording this. But anything could change. We could go much lower when you see this, guys, or we could already be recovering, after this video has been posted, and then we are, going up again, right? We don't know, or it could just be going, sideways now around this level. So we're going to see next what is going to happen. However, pay attention to the strength that was in the privacy coins. Like, for example, if we look at some coins, Ethereum is down 10%. Crazy. It's down 10% today. Solana is down 12%. These are supposed to be the biggest tokens, guys, and the most reliable ones, the bigger ones, right? Like Sui and stuff like that, but they're all obliterated. However, if we check out, Monero, that's only down 1% on the day, guys. 1% on the day, and it's still holding up at higher levels around here. So Zcash, look at that. Zcash is down. So today Zcash got hit pretty hard. That's minus 14%. And then we look at Canton, and it actually went up today and hit a new all-time high. So it hit a new all-time high today, Canton privacy coin. And we pointed this out to you already early on the previous videos, guys, the strength that this privacy altcoin sector was showing. So the same thing with Decred also. So Decred went up today by 5% earlier. Now it came back down now into 0.1% down. So it's now in the minus because Bitcoin just did that flush dump to $76,000. Now let's see what happens next, because MicroSaylor is suffering. MicroStrategy might be running out of their Bitcoin profits. Things could be going terribly wrong for the market, but in the meantime, the privacy coins, Monero, Canton, Zcash, Litecoin, Midnight, Dash, all of these ones, let's check them out. In terms of market cap, we can start with Monero. That is the largest one. So that is $8.3 billion market cap. Then Chainlink is, so that's even bigger than Chainlink now, wow, which is just $6.8 billion market cap. Canton here is $6.6 billion market cap. Zcash is $4.8 billion. Litecoin, $4.4 billion. And then Midnight all the way down that is a significant jump between these two. Midnight is down at 771 million. Dash is 549 million. Tezos 490 million, and Humanity Protocol 317 million market cap. And Decred is the lowest one out of these top 10, which is 300 million market cap. So if the market can bounce back, if the crypto market can show any sign of strength, then this privacy category could continue being the strongest category in crypto. And if that happens, guys, keep your eye out for those top tokens that we have showed you. So we've checked the chart for Monero, for Zcash, Canton as well. We checked that, and Decred. By order of comparison, if we believe or if you go on the thesis that privacy coins are going to reach new highs in the future, then from here where it is now, if Monero goes from where it is now up to its all-time high, then that is 75% from where it is right now. Zcash would be from exactly where it is up to its all-time high, 154%. Then Canton is already at its all-time high. So for this, it's just in price discovery, but from where it is right now, let's see if we can grab this info line. From where it is right now back to its all-time high already, which it just hit today, is 9% already. And then Decred, which is here, these are the top 4 that we looked at in detail. All right, so these are the sort of well-known ones, the ones that people are betting on the most. Let's go to the info line and check it. This one would be up to there. And that would be 292% for Decred, all right? So Decred, of course, has the most upside because it's the lowest market cap as well. So I think that would be a pretty good bet in terms of privacy coins. So it's a hybrid proof of work and proof of stake chain with on-chain governance and treasury developments going on. There's lots of news and developments recently for Decred as well. So look into that. We're not going to look at that here. That's beyond the scope of this video. However, that looks like a pretty good one to keep your eye on. Then we do have some favorites like Litecoin, Chainlink. These are a lot of people's favorites. So Chainlink and Litecoin, which are also in the top 5, so near the top. These coins, most people know them already pretty well. But if we take Chainlink, for example, which is down a lot, guys, this is down a lot from its all-time highs. Is Chainlink over here, actually? Let's see if Chainlink is over here. It's not in these ones that I was looking at, but if we take the chart of Chainlink, which is here, and we basically measure it to its recent high as well, then with Chainlink, you're looking at, from where it is now, 214% profit. So that's pretty good for Chainlink as well. Then if we go to Litecoin, and then we're going to check out Midnight last, because that's a lot of people's favorites. So Litecoin here, because Midnight is the newer sort of hot one, the one that on the block that everyone's kind of talking about now, from Charles Hoskinson from Cardano. But we measure this one up. This is Litecoin, and this would be 153% as well for Litecoin. That's pretty interesting. So let's check out Midnight to end this. We already went into Dash in recent videos, and Humanity, we did a whole video about that, so check those out. Tezos, I would say, is the weakest one out of all of them, so let's not pay any attention to that right now. Midnight, this is new, so this is interesting, but the chart looks pretty atrocious. Look at that. The chart looks terrible. So if this can go to the peak where it got to here, okay, so that was like just a few days ago, because this is quite new. That was in December, mid-December. If this can go back to there, then from where it is now, we are looking at 154% up. So let us know, what do you think about all of these coins, guys, and their potential? Do you think they're going to come back and recover from this bearish moment that we're going through in the market right now? Bitcoin is absolutely so weak. It just hit 76k, the lowest we've been in basically since, when was that down? So that all the way since April 2025. So in nearly a year, we have not been this low, and we'll see if it keeps going down further. But follow us here on this channel for news, updates, and deep dives into privacy sector and other sectors of altcoins, guys, just like this. Like today, we had a little bit of a look into the top privacy coins. And yeah, because we bring content to you like this, the latest crypto news and updates every single day right here on this channel.